Okay, so you want to buy a house, but you don't have enough of a down payment. First question you have to know is how much is enough? For the first $500,000 of your purchase, you have to have at least 5%. So if you're looking at a condo for $400,000, you're going to need $20,000. Now, of course, if you're a first-time buyer, there's no property transfer tax, so that's good news. Over $500,000 and beyond, up to $1 million, you have to have 10% of it. So how do you come up with all that money? Well, first thing to do is obviously work towards saving money and have a budget. 2, you can use your RSPs if you have any of those. 3, look to a family member. See if there's somebody who will provide you a gift. That's always possible. And last, we can also do what's called a flex down program. So if you have a personal line of credit or some other means of accessing money and you want to borrow that, you could do that potentially as well, so long as you're debt servicing that payment and it fits. Anyway, as you can see, there's a myriad of options. Best way to know which one's going to work for you, give us a shout at the Auxilium team. Auxilium simply means a care, aid, assistance, support, and we look forward to helping you.